Grandma! We're doing a video, Grandma. Grandma! Grandma! Oh, hold on, Scout. Let's move your little blanket. Your little blanket there, so you can see your cool t-shirt that you've been wearing like for over 2 years or something. Anyways, wow! Wow, I know I like it, so cute. Grandma, that's my favorite t-shirt, Grandma! 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 Grandma, why don't we have a smoke detector, Grandma? Grandma, why don't we have a smoke detector, Grandma? A smoke alarm, Grandma? 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 Why don't we have a... Grandma, why don't we have a smoke alarm, smoke detector, Grandma? But Grandma, what if there's a fire and there's smoke, Grandma? We won't know, Grandma. If we're sleeping, Grandma. Your birthday's coming up, Scout. Maybe we can get a smoke alarm if it's cheap. I'm sure they're inexpensive, Scout. I hope so.
Nobody turns on fire.
Grandma.
That it would go out by itself. Qualquer kitchen burning.
But yes, Scout. Grandma and Grandpa need a smoke alarm. You need a smoke alarm, Scout. Yeah. Grandma.
One in your room so we can wake you up. Plug it in.
Hi, Grandma.
You wake me up.
Grandma.
No consigo tener en la kitchen.
Grandma.
The bottle burns.
Grandma. Grandma, you're not helping. You're not helping in the video, Grandma.
I'm sorry.
Grandma, we're supposed to be pro smoke alarm, Grandma, smoke detector, Grandma.
Well, we can try out.
Yeah, we can try it, Grandma. We can try it. Okay, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa.
You should have changed my mind.
With my cuteness powers, Grandma. I changed Grandma's mind with my powers of cuteness. So cute. Okay, bye, buddy, bye.